u of z, which is equal to 2z square plus 5z plus 14 whole divided by z minus 1 power 4. Then evaluate u2 and u3. Instead of f, we have given u, right? So u of z. So same procedure. Given u of z, which is equal to 2z square plus 5z plus 14 divided by z minus 1 power 4, where z of u of n is nothing but u of z. There z of f of n, which is equal to capital F of z. Same procedure. So just we change the notation, that's all, according to the given problem. Right. Now u of z into z power n minus 1 multiply by z power n minus 1 on both sides. You will get 2z square plus 5z plus 14 by z minus 1 power 4 into z power n minus 1. The poles of f of z, u of z and z power n minus 1 are given by z minus 1 power 4 equal to 0. Just to put the denominator equal to 0. So you will get z is equal to 1, a pole of order 4. Now we have to find the residue of f of z, that is u of z into z power n minus 1. If f of z into z power n minus 1 with a pole at A with order m, then the formula is residue of f of z, z power n minus 1 at z is equal to A, which is equal to 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Limit z tends to A, d power m minus 1 by d z power m minus 1 into z minus a power m f of z into z power n minus 1. Instead of f of z, you are having u of z here, right? Instead of a, the pole is nothing but 1, and m, the order of the pole, is nothing but 4. So substituting, you will get r1 residue 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 factorial, limit z tends to 1, d cube by dz cube, because m minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, right? D cube by dz cube into z minus 1 power 4 u of z into z power n minus 1. So you have to find 3 derivatives, right, of z minus 1 power 4 u of z and z minus 1 z power n minus 1. Substituting the value of u of z and z power n minus 1, so you will get 1 by 3 factorial, limit z tends to 1, d cube by dz cube, z minus 1 power 4, 2z square plus 5z plus 14 into z power n minus 1 by z minus 1 power 4. So you are having z minus 1 power 4 in the numerator and also in the denominator. So get cancelled. So you will get remaining 1 by 3 factorial, limit z tends to 1, d cube by dz cube, 2z square plus 5z plus 14 into z power n minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 factorial, limit z tends to 1, d square by dz square. So we are taking the first derivative of the brackets, right? d by dz of 2z square plus 5z plus 14 into z power n minus 1. For that, first we are keeping the bracket, first bracket, right? There are two terms, right? First term 2z square pi plus 5z plus 14, that is one term, and z power n minus 1 another term, that is uv, derivative of uv, u dv plus v du. We are using that formula. So first, keeping 2z square plus 5z plus 14 as it is, and derivative of z power n minus 1. So n minus 1 into z power n minus 2, right? N into x power n minus 1. Similarly, n minus 1 into z power n minus 2. Plus keeping z power n minus 1 as it is, z power n minus 1 into derivative of 2z square, first term. So 2 into 2, 4z, plus derivative of 5z. So you are getting 5 into 1, 5. Then derivative of constant term 14 is 0, right? So you will get 4z plus 5. Now 1 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. 1 by 6 into limit z tends to 1 d by dz of, again next derivative, right? We are reducing, right, derivatives, right? First one derivative, then second derivative we are taking. So same procedure, right? So we will get n minus 1 is a constant, right? Keep it as it is. So keep 2z square plus 5z plus 14, right? First term. Then second term z power n minus 2. So derivative of z power n minus 2. Again we are using UV formula. N minus 2 into z power n minus 3, right? Plus keeping n z power n minus 2 as it is, and the derivative of 2z square plus 5z plus 14. We know 2z square is 4z plus derivative of 5z is 5. Then constant term 0. So 4z plus 5. This is the first term, right? Derivative of the first term. Now come to the second one. Second term is z power n minus 1 into 4z. Similarly, here you are using the UV formula, derivative of UV. So UV is equal to UdV plus VdU, right? Keeping 4z plus 5 as it is, and derivative of z power n minus 1 into z power n minus 2, plus keeping z power n minus 1 as it is, and derivative of 4z plus 5. 4z plus 5, 4. Derivative of 5, 0. So you will get 4, right? So you have to apply UV formula separately for the two terms, right? Now 1 by 6 into limit z tends to 1 d by dz of n minus 1 into 2z square plus 5z plus 14 into n minus 2 into z power n minus 3 plus z power n minus 2 into 4z plus 5 plus 4z plus 5 into z power n minus 2, right? Plus last term 4 into z power n minus 1. So repeated one term, right? That is equal to 1 by 6 into limit z tends to 1 d by dz of n minus 1 2z square plus 5z plus 14 into n minus 2 into z power n minus 3, plus because we are having 2 times that term in the previous step, right? 2 times z power n minus 2 into 4z plus 5 plus 4z power n minus 1. Repeated the term, right? Because in the first term you are getting 4z plus 5 into z power n minus 2. The second term also you are having 4z plus 5 into z power n minus 2. So you are getting twice repeated terms, right? That is why 2 times z power n minus 2 4z plus 5 plus 4 into z power n minus 1. So 1 by 6 limit z tends to 1 n minus 1, again next derivative n minus 1 into n minus 1 constant, keep it as it is. Now keep 2z square plus 5z plus 14 as it is, then derivative of z power n minus 3. So you will get n minus 3 into z power n minus 4. N minus 2 already there, keep it as it is, right? Plus keeping n minus 2 into z power n minus 3 as it is, and derivative of the bracket 2z square plus 5z plus 14. You will get 4z plus 5, right? Plus come to the second term. Here you are having 2 into, right, 4z, keep 4z plus 5 as it is, and derivative of z power n minus 2. So n minus 2 into z power n minus 3, right? Plus keeping 4z, that is 2z power n minus 2 as it is, right? 2 into z power n minus 2, then derivative of 4z plus 5, you will get 4. Next, last term. So derivative of 4 into z power n minus 1. So you will get 4 into n minus 1 into z power n minus 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Applying the limit, put z is equal to 1. N minus 1 into n minus 2 into 2 1 square, 2 into 1 square 2 plus 5 into 1 5 plus 14 into n minus 3, 1 power n minus 4, you will get 1 plus n minus 2 into 1 power n minus 3, 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 5, right, plus 2 into 4 into 1 plus 5, right, then n minus 2 into 1 power n minus 3, so you will get 1, right, n minus 2 plus 2 into 1 power n minus 2, 1 into 4 plus last term plus 4 into n minus 1 into 1 power n minus 2, you will get 1, right. So which is equal to 1 by 6 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into, so multiplying, so you will get adding all the terms in the brackets, so you will get 21 into n minus 3 plus n minus 2 into 9 plus 18 n minus 2 plus 8 plus 4 into n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 6 n 21 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, right, plus 9 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 plus 18 n minus 1 into n minus 2 plus 8 n minus 1 plus 4 n minus 1. Grouping 1 by 6, 21 n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 plus 9 plus 18, right, 27 n minus 1 into n minus 2, 4 plus 8, 12 n minus 1. So u1, we need u1, sum of the residues, right, that is r1, here only one residue is there, right, that is why sum of the residue is nothing but that r1 only. Therefore un, which is equal to, we know f of n, which is equal to sum of the residue. Here instead of f we are using u, that is why u of n, right, un, right. So 1 by 6, so 21 n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 plus 27 n minus 1 n minus 2 plus 12 n minus 1. This is equation number 1. So we need to find 2, u of 2. So substitute n is equal to 2 in 1. So u of 2, which is equal to 1 by 6. Replace n by 2. So in the first term 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 0, right. So that term 0. Second term 27 into 2 minus 1, again 2 minus 2 0, right. Second term 0. Third term 12 into 2 minus 1, right. So which is equal to 1 by 6 into 12. Therefore u2 is equal to 2. Now we need to find u3. So put n is equal to 3 in 1. So u3 is equal to 1 by 6. The first term you are having n minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So first term 0. Plus 27 into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 plus 12 into 3 minus 1. So you will get 1 by 6 into 54 plus 24, which is equal to 78, that is equal to 13. So u3 is equal to